In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to unclog a very tough clog on a kitchen sink. So as you can see, this is a really bad clog. I tried to use a hand auger to unclog it and it did not work. So this is a very deep, bad clog. So I'm going to be using an electric auger. Now there's different types. I'm going to be showing you the one that I'm using now. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to open the pipe. Now depending what kind of pipe it is, it depends if you're going to have to remove the elbow waste pipe itself, or sometimes there's a cap that you could remove and then you could just access the pipe itself, which makes it easier. So right under the sink, right here is the waste pipe, and right below it is a cap. So you could remove the cap and then that will give you access to the pipe. Now you have to put something to collect the water, so I put a container over there, because when that's released, the water is going to come out. Okay, now to open this cap, I'm going to be using a tongue and groove pliers. Now you have to turn this clockwise. It's best to loosen it completely with the plier, because to prevent the water from going all over your hands. This is the cap. This is called the RIDGID Powerclear Drain Cleaner. Right there is the snake. As you can see, it's all coiled up in here, and then it comes through here. And right over here is a foot pedal, and you can actually step on this and then it starts to spin that, so it's foot activated. Just take that off. Okay, now you have two options. You have 18 and 48 inches. So this is an adapter if you need a longer reach, or you could just use this one right here. So I'm going to need a longer reach, so I'm going to use both. So what you have to do is you have to just pull out the snake. And just feed it through here. Okay. Now I'll feed this through here, because I'm going to be using the 48 inches, which is both hoses together. So just put this through, keep feeding it through until it comes out from this side right here. Okay, so just lift this up. I can already see it coming through right here. This side here. Just lift both sides like so. That will allow the snake to come through. It has to come through all the way. Okay, so I got it right here. Okay, so it came through. Now you have to connect this tight. Just hand tighten it like so. You have to connect this, make sure it's tight. Just push and turn. Okay, there you go. Okay, right here, it's foot operated, so you step on this as you're putting it. And when it's activated. Now, what you need to do is you need to put this in right through the pipe. I took the cap off, so it's going to go under here. Okay, let's get started. it's going to start stiffening up, so you have to just continue to hold it. Press down like I'm doing now, as you're pushing on the foot pedal to push more snake through. Yeah, that's it. We're out of snake. So the full 25 feet in, so now let's retract it and let's see if it unclogged it. Okay, now to retrieve the snake, you have to pull, and as you're pulling, pull on the reverse lever and let the snake slowly retract back into the hose and into the machine, so I'll show you. Pull it. Now put it in. Pull. Put it in. Pull. Put it in. Back in. And that's how you retrieve it back. Okay, so as you can see, the water went down and it is unclogged. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up on this video, and thank you for tuning in.